Hey guys, welcome back to ProgramHub, and today in this episode we're going to talk about compatibility of AutoCAD in Windows and Mac. So most of you had been asking this question that if I'm buying a new laptop, which laptop should I prefer for AutoCAD? Should I go with a Windows laptop or a Mac laptop? So what should I prefer over here? So today we'll be helping you out with this question. So first and foremost thing is that AutoCAD is available for both the platforms, but there is some differences when it comes to the usability of AutoCAD in Windows and Mac. So first and foremost thing, AutoCAD and Autodesk, the entire company is obsessed with Windows softwares. They preferably make the softwares for Windows platform, and then after they just try to port that or make a version for Mac. So Mac is always an option for Autodesk. So in that very case, if we try to have a look, AutoCAD is very much efficient on the Windows platforms, whereas compared to the Mac platforms, it's not so much efficient and the performance is not so very great. It's not that you can't use it onto a Mac or any of the Mac laptops or machines, but the performance which you're expecting, the efficiency which you're expecting on a MacBook or any of the Macs, you will not be getting that exact efficiency as compared to any other Windows laptop or Windows PC. So first and foremost thing, all the features or anything that you're trying to use on AutoCAD will be really good on a Windows laptop or on a Windows PC. So if you just go along having a Windows laptop or Windows PC specifically for AutoCAD, that will be really good for you. So if you want a laptop or PC for professional work in AutoCAD, so I would suggest you clearly to go along having a Windows laptop or a Windows PC, because that will serve you really well as compared to any other MacBooks available. The reason for that is currently all the MacBooks and Macs are coming with Apple Silicon processor, and Autodesk hasn't released any version of AutoCAD with Apple Silicon compatibility. They have released a version of AutoCAD that's compatible using Rosetta, but that's not an actual version for Apple Silicon. 2 years back ago, when Apple Silicon was announced, Autodesk also said into a notification that they are working around to get a version for the Apple Silicon compatible version with the M1 compatibility, but there is no sign still for any version that is compatible with the M1. So all the softwares that are still available from Autodesk is compatible with the Intel processors, specifically the x86 system, and none is compatible with the ARM architecture that Apple Silicon is based upon. So specifically speaking, one of the most important and the core things that needs to be focused out over here for professional work and for much more efficiency and performance is that you should be going along having a Windows laptop, because there are many of the features which are very much limited in the Mac platform. So that's the one reason why I would recommend, if you're a professional, if you're looking out for a laptop or a PC that is very much powerful and efficient for your work, for your professional work in AutoCAD or any other Autodesk software, so you must be going along with a Windows PC or a machine. So I hope so that this has helped you out in making a decision, and if you liked our video, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and meet you next episode. Till then, goodbye.